Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I'm Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, naturally, and with a lot of fun.
Hey everyone, I'm Jake, and I am very happy to be here today.
Jake, you seem really relaxed today, like you just had a good meal or something.
Actually, yes, I just had lunch, a really good burger.
Oh, wow. Where did you go?
This little place near my apartment, I go there a lot. The staff already knows my order.
Haha, that is the dream. A place that just knows you.
Right? But honestly, it took me a while before I felt comfortable ordering in English. I used to just point at the menu.
Ugh, I think so many people can relate to that. You know what you want, but the words just don't come out.
Exactly. I would panic a little when the server came over.
Well, today we are going to fix that because today's topic is how to order at a restaurant in English, all the phrases you need from start to finish.
Yes, I wish I had this lesson 2 years ago.
Let's unfold it together right now.
Everyone, if English Unfolded is helping you, please hit the like button and subscribe.
And share this with a friend who needs it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you sit down at a restaurant, you have your menu, and then the server comes over and says, "Are you ready to order?"
Oh, that's the first thing they say?
Almost always. "Are you ready to order?" It means, do you know what you want?
And if I'm not ready yet?
Great question. You can say, "Can I have a few more minutes?" Or just, "Not yet, thank you." Very simple, very polite.
Oh, that's a relief. I always felt bad saying I wasn't ready.
No need to feel bad at all. Servers hear it all the time. Now, when you are ready, the most natural way to order is, "I'll have."
I'll have, not I want.
Right. "I want" is a little direct. "I'll have" is softer and more natural. "I'll have the pasta." "I'll have a cheeseburger." "I'll have the soup, please."
Oh, I see. I'll have sounds more polite.
Exactly. And you can add "please" at the end to make it even warmer. "I'll have the grilled chicken, please."
I'll have the grilled chicken, please. That sounds good, actually.
Now, what if you don't know what to get? You look at the menu and everything looks good. There's a perfect phrase for that.
What is it?
"What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend? Oh, I like that. It's like asking for advice.
Exactly. And servers love this question. They get to talk about the food they like. You can also say, "What's popular here?" or "What's your favorite?" All very natural.
What do you recommend? I'm going to use that every time now.
This is one of my favorite phrases to teach because it does two things. It helps you order and it starts a little conversation with the server.
Oh, that's true. It's friendly.
Now, what if you want to change something? Like you want the burger but without onions, or you want fries instead of salad?
Oh, yes, this happens to me a lot. I don't like onions either.
Haha, same. So the phrase is, "Can I get" instead? Or "Can I have it without"?
Can I get fries instead, like that?
Perfect. Or "Can I have it without onions, please?" Very polite, very clear.
That's so useful. I used to just say no onion and hope for the best.
Well, now you have the full phrase. Let's do a quick role play. I'll be the server, you're the customer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi there, welcome. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a water, please.
Of course. And are you ready to order?
Almost. What do you recommend?
Our pasta is really popular. A lot of people love it.
Oh, that sounds great. I'll have the pasta, please. Can I get garlic bread instead of salad?
Absolutely. Great choice.
Yes, I did it. That felt so natural.
You were great. See, it's not scary at all when you have the right phrases.
It really isn't. Okay, what about at the end of the meal? How do I ask for the bill?
Good thinking. When you're ready to leave, you say, "Can we get the check, please?" In the US, we say check. In the UK, they say bill, but both are understood everywhere.
Can we get the check, please? Got it.
You can also just catch the server's eye and say, "Check, please." Short and sweet.
Check, please. Ha, I love that one. Very easy.
And one more. After the meal, if you want to compliment the food, you can say, "It was delicious." So simple, but it makes the server so happy.
It was delicious. Oh, I always want to say something nice, but I didn't know how.
Now you know. "It was delicious. Everything was great. I loved the pasta." Any of those work beautifully.
I hear this all the time now that I think about it. People say it so naturally.
Because it is natural and kind. A little compliment goes a long way. That's always true in English and in life. Okay, let's go over what we learned today, shall we?
Yes. First, are you ready to order? That's what the server says. And if you need more time, can I have a few more minutes?
No rush, no panic. Just ask for a little more time.
Then, I'll have. The most natural way to order, softer than I want.
I'll have the soup. I'll have the sandwich. Just fill in what you want.
Next, what do you recommend? For when you're not sure, let the server help you decide.
And it makes the conversation a little warmer too.
Then, can I get instead? For swapping something on your order. Very handy.
And polite. Always good to add please at the end.
And, can we get the check, please? When it's time to go.
Short, clear, and very natural.
And finally, it was delicious, because good food deserves a compliment.
Every phrase you learned today is one more door you can open at any restaurant in any city. Jake, next time you go to that burger place, try using them all.
I will. I'm going to impress the staff.
I believe you. Before we go, here is today's question for all of you. What is your favorite thing to order at a restaurant? Leave a comment below and tell us.
We love reading your comments, and if this video helped you, please like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend who's learning English or anyone who loves eating out.
That's basically everyone. Take care, everyone. Have a good one.
Unfold your voice, speak with Alice. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.